This is Ron Varga with Peterbilt of Atlanta, down here at our Jackson, Georgia location. We've got this beautiful green 2027 Peterbilt 589. It has a 131-inch long hood, 280-inch wheelbase, 80-inch high-rise double bunk sleeper. Has a 13,200-pound capacity steer axle. Put some extra lights in front of and behind the air breathers. Got some extra lights under the cab. Dual-sided cab exhaust. Has a spotlight in the roof over here on the driver's side. Polished stainless steel cover for the DEF tank. Got a polished 100-gallon fuel tank on this side. Inside the sleeper. Got premium sound system. We've got a subwoofer down here with an amplifier. 1800 watt shore power. Frame mounted toolbox. 30-inch Hogue built stainless steel quarter fenders. She's riding around on 11R 24.5s. Polished Peterbilt aluminum wheels. It's got 40,000-pound rear suspension. Full locking differentials. 336 gears. Got our smart valve back here with the overflate feature. Our Holland FW35 fifth wheel with a 36-inch air slide. Another frame-mounted toolbox over here on this side. Polished 150-gallon fuel tank. Chrome mirror covers. The additional turn signals out on the mirrors. Stainless visor. 4 roof-mounted air horns. Our LED lights. Got some stainless rock guards underneath the lights there. Our Texas-style front bumper that has provisions for owner-installed fog lights. Let's take a look underneath the hood. Under the hood, we've got our Cummins X15. It's 565 horse, 2050 torque. Behind that, we have our Eaton Endurant XD Pro 18-speed automated transmission. We have a removable bug screen behind the grille. Take a look inside. This truck does have platinum interior. Got a battery disconnect down here next to the driver's seat. Leather seats. This truck also has our 7-inch infotainment center with Apple CarPlay. Built-in work tray over here on the passenger side dash. Back here in the sleeper, you see we have our double bunk. Got a flat screen TV mount. Refrigerator down here. Wardrobe cabinet. Second bunk comes down just that easy. Got plenty of storage over here on this side as well. Storage cabinet down here. Pull-out work tray. Unit Bearcat CB radio mounted up on the header there. So if you could use this truck, give me a call. 706-372-4698.